Hey everyone, I'm Landon with LMR.com, and in today's video, we are going to weigh our 1993 black Cobra. This one's pretty simple. It's a bone stock car with a full tank of gas. Now, for you number junkies out there, this is a 15.3 gallon tank, and a gallon of gas weighs about 6 pounds. So if you want to know the raw weight of the vehicle, well, you can simply do the math. So enough of me talking. I'm gonna go ahead and throw our scales underneath the car, and we'll get a weight. All right, I got some numbers here, and the 93 Cobra with full tank of gas weighs 3,187 pounds. I was gonna guess 3,200, so that was pretty almost spot on. But there you have it, guys. If you have any questions on this car, be sure and drop us a comment. If you want to see more videos like this, subscribe to our YouTube channel if you haven't done so already. Of course, for all things Fox Mustang, you know what to do by now. Keep it right here with the real enthusiasts, LMR.